Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in case you missed my first YouTube video, the link is below. So today I want to talk with you about the first steps of the home buying process. And it is mostly about what you will need to do as a home buyer. First, you will need to get pre-approved for a mortgage. A mortgage pre-approval is a letter from a lender indicating how much of a loan you can qualify for. It is issued after the lender has evaluated your financial history, which includes pulling your credit report and score, reviewed your tax returns, bank statements, and verified your employment. With a pre-approval letter, you can find a home you can afford by shopping within your means. So getting pre-approved will help you find a mortgage lender who can work with you to find a home loan with an interest rate and other terms suited to your needs. This is specific to your financial situation. It also shows sellers and real estate agents that you are a serious buyer by proving that you have the financial backing and the ability to go through with the sale. So now you are probably wondering, okay, how do I get pre-approved? Where do I go? First, you will need to find a mortgage lender, and there are many ways to find a mortgage lender. You can talk to the bank you use for your checking and savings accounts. You can ask family or friends who they used when they bought their home or even when they refinanced their home. There are commercials that advertise websites like LendingTree or Quicken Loans that provide home loans, so you can check those out also. As a realtor with Keller Williams Market Pro Realty, I always tell my clients about Keller Mortgage. Keller Mortgage offers a 0+ loan, which means there are 0 lender fees, 0 loan origination fees, a low rate, plus $1,000 at closing towards third-party costs on credit loans, $150,000 and up with approved credit. So the minimum credit score for Keller Mortgage is 600, and the minimum loan amount is $60,000. Remember that the $1,000 at closing is only available on credit loans $150,000 and up. If you are interested in refinancing your home, Keller Mortgage offers refinancing as well. Keller Mortgage is only available through a Keller Williams transaction. So if you are working with a Keller Williams agent, you can obtain more information in the mobile app from them. As of right now, Keller Mortgage is available in 48 states. I have posted the link below for more information about Keller Mortgage. However, I want to remind you of a few things you should not do during your journey to buy a home. Number 1, do not quit or change jobs. Although job changes can provide better pay or a chance for advancement, it could delay your process to home ownership. Number 2, do not get behind on payments. This can hurt your credit score. So make sure you stay on top of your rent or mortgage payments, credit card payments, car payments, etc. Number 3, do not move money without a paper trail. Your lender will want documentation for all your transactions to make sure you really have enough money to buy a home. Number 4, do not make a large purchase such as a car or a boat. Number 5, do not spend your savings. You may need money for a down payment, or you may have to pay closing costs. After you're pre-approved, you can confidently start shopping for your new home. But before you start looking for a new home, it is always a good idea to make a list of things you want in your new home. For example, some things on your list may include having a large backyard so that your children or your pets have room to play outside. Or maybe it's having a dining room or an eating kitchen so that you can entertain friends and family. Maybe you want to have an extra room to use as an office or a spare bedroom for guests. Make a list of the must-haves for your new home, but also I encourage you to make a list of things that you do not want in your home. After you have made a list of things you want and things you do not want, go back through those lists and ask yourself, what am I willing to compromise on? We have all heard that real estate is all about location, location, location. This is important because sometimes you will find the perfect home, but it is not in the ideal location for you. So you will need to decide if you want to live in the city, a little further out in the country, or in a secluded area that offers more privacy. You will need to decide how you may feel about living next to or down the street from a church or a school. Or maybe you prefer to live in close proximity to public transportation. Each person has different wants and needs. So as a buyer, you'll need to decide on your ideal location. Please do not be afraid to ask questions. I want to encourage you to ask your realtor questions. As realtors, we are here to help you and guide you through the home buying process. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you all would like for me to do a Q&A, please let me know. So on my next real estate video, I will discuss the steps to take after you have found your perfect home and you are ready to move forward with putting in an offer. I will also discuss what happens if your offer is rejected, if it is countered, or if it is accepted. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Facebook. I have put the link below. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.